This is Will Allen with TVI MarketPro3, here with Joe Castelino, Fixed Operations Director of the American Motors Group. Joe, what's the big draw here for NADA 2024? What are you looking to accomplish?
It's always, first, the dealer meetings, the franchise meetings are always great, but it's great to see what's the latest and greatest out in the market and stay in tune. And
awesome. Have you seen anything so far? I know it's early in the show.
it's pretty early on in the show. There's a handful of things that I'm looking for. I haven't found them yet. Mainly this time I was just visiting friends already, vendors that I've already used, just saying hi, getting re-upped on my performance with them.
Awesome. How's 2024 starting off for the year?
Starting off great. Starting off really good. The business is changing, so it's going from sales to service, and me being fixed ops, it's really imperative that I stay on the leading edge of everything.
That's awesome. What are some big goals or objectives for your group this year?
So we're really big in automation right now, so we're trying to automate everything. One of the big things I'm here looking for is like an oil delivery system. And I want to see what's new in that market.
Awesome. That's good. What's TVI doing to help you accomplish your goals this year?
So TVI is helping me. Here's the cool thing with TVI. TVI does a lot of creative marketing, and I underline the word creative, right? So if I can think it, they can do it. And so one of our stores right now is doing 100% free diagnostics for anything, and 100% price match with 25% off.
Awesome.
And we're targeting a certain zip code that's in our competitors' market.
That's
right?
awesome. So literally going and dropping on top of competitors, very strategically decided and with specific offers.
Yeah,
that's
very
awesome.
specific offers.
Well, thanks, Joe, for stopping by, speaking with us. Wish you a great 2024.
Thank you.